I say there is physical zina, there is zina of the eyes, there's zina of the tongue, there's zina of the touch. And unfortunately, social media has not made it any easier now, because we commit a lot of zina of the eyes and zina of the hand, in the sense that we use our fingers to be unfaithful to our spouse. You find one or the other couple at 2 in the morning is chatting with somebody, a member of the opposite gender, at 2 a.m. And I often ask, would you allow that so-called social media friend to come into your living room with your spouse asleep in bed upstairs and have that same conversation with them? Then why are you online? Why are you talking to someone that is not your mahram? Even if they are your mahram, what the heck if you're married? What are you doing talking to someone of the opposite gender at that, about anything? Even work, it's not proper. We have to be very careful. Emotional infidelity, I'm living with you, but I've emotionally checked out. This is how I describe it. I'm not sure, Uncle Idris, if you have another take on it, but I feel I'm in love with somebody else, but I'm here with you physically because you're the one I said I do to. But I have emotions for someone. I keep thinking about that person. I keep saying, I wish I shoulda, woulda, coulda done that. And here I am. I've settled for you. That is how I see emotional infidelity, that you're just not loyal and committed to this person, to this relationship, and this covenant that you have signed up to. But I also have to emphasize, we have to be careful with what we say to each other, to people that are not our spouse, on social media, in WhatsApp chat groups, and so on. We have to be careful with what we see. That is also another form of zina. What we allow when our eyes wander, whether it's people we look at and we don't lower our gaze, or we take a second look, or whether it is while we are scrolling or doom scrolling on social media and what we linger and look at, this could be a source of fitna that allows shaitan to go to work and create a bigger problem for us, for our lives, for our relationship. So we have to be very intentional in guarding our relationship jealously and protecting ourselves and the relationship from this kind of trouble.